So many nonverbal aspects of a message, as you see there on the slide, facial expressions, gestures, body posture, vocal tones, they're all communicated unconsciously, meaning you can't help but sound like you're angry. You can't help but sound like you're annoyed. It just comes through in your communication because it's part of a natural communication process. We often have to work at not sounding like we're annoyed, or to work like not sounding like we're upset when we don't want that to be revealed, right? So many really important, because those nonverbal elements of communication are what hold the bulk of the meaning. So in English, and this means in spoken language English, only 6% of the meaning of a message is found in words. That's big, and that's important. 39% of the meaning is in the vocal intonation. Like I just said, and that's important. I did facial expression. I did this secret, not so secret hand shape, and I kind of emphasized in my voice. That's important. So for you listening, I hope that you understood, oh, I should be writing this down. This might be on a test, right? That's just an example. And if we look here, 55% of the message is conveyed in accompanying gestures, body language, and facial expression used. So it's really important what this is telling us. What this is telling us is it's not what you say, but how you say it. And likewise, for an interpretation, it's not what you sign or what vocabulary choices you choose, but it's how you render the message. So yes, vocabulary and words are important, but a bigger part of the meaning of that message is in the delivery. To see the thinking and the processing behind interpreting choices, to see